To install an eSIM on your Android phone, you have to open the settings, go to network and internet, and then you see SIMs. Before adding an eSIM, you need to have a QR code from your provider. So let's begin. I press on Add SIM and tap Setup eSIM. Now you need to scan the QR code, or you can enter the code manually, but I will choose scan QR code. I have the QR code here ready to scan. The QR code didn't really work, I don't know why, but I took the activation code out from the QR code to try to enter it manually, and I'll paste it right here. This is a GigSky trial for mobile data only. Press next. This is going to take some time trying to connect to the internet. Okay, set up your GigSky eSIM. 1 GigSky eSIM available for this device. Okay, so press setup. You have to be connected to the internet while you're doing this. So I'm connected to Wi-Fi now. Okay, so go to settings to turn on your GigSky eSIM. So it's already done. Close this, and now we have the extra SIM card. I will enable GigSky and I will set the preferences, and I could choose mobile data for this one because it's a mobile data plan. Now it's enabling the GigSky eSIM. 500 mega for 7 days. So I installed the eSIM, but I had to enable it from the app also, and I will turn it off and on again. So the GigSky again, mobile data, this one, and now it's starting the eSIM. It's connected to SITA GigSky. This service you choose for each country where you want to use it. GigSky is connected 5G. It seems to be working. If I go to my website, mobile data is working on it. That's how you add an eSIM. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.